What's up, YouTube? What's up, spiritual community? I already know what you're thinking. Where has LC been at? Been doing a lot of self-introspection, been practicing solitude, and really just, figuring yourself out is like a constant thing throughout life. So, and then just getting my life back on track. So there's that. I hope everybody's been doing well. I hope you're having a blessed day wherever you're at or whoever you are. Today I kind of wanted to talk about remembering or figuring out where we actually came from. And I'm not necessarily talking about in a geographical way. Not as far as like, global wise or planet Earth wise, should I say. Just like, where did we really come from? So I got to thinking, and I've been thinking about this for some weeks. And actually me and a relative was speaking on this. So father and mother, right? So we have our fathers, and this is going to get a little bit raw. We come from, and let's take sperm banks out of this. Let's take sperm donors out of this. We naturally come from our father's nutsack, right? And then we're transferred into our mother's ovaries, I believe that's the right term, and then the whole process happens in the womb. We're actually formed in the womb. But the actual question is, and this is what I want to bring awareness to you guys, is we started off as liquid. So if we started off as a simple liquid and then it somehow created this, where do we actually come from? I decided I'm just giving my best human attempt on this topic, and clearly I'm not taking the scientific approach because I know that's a way also. But you kind of just want to know when you do a lot of just self-discovery, you start having a lot of questions about life. And so I just got to thinking, okay, so I came from my father into my mother, but what happened before that? Where does this come from? That's the real question. Where does reproduction really come from? I know there's all type of theories out there. Just like there's some people who pray to the universe, and then there are people who pray to the Most High God, who created the universe, who is God. God says, I am that I am. So there's many questions, and this can be from a spiritual point of view, and this can just be from just a point of view in general. So it just gives you a chance to just have an open mind on these things, because it's something that we don't normally talk about on a day-to-day basis. So I just wanted to bring awareness to you about that. So for instance, if you're meditating, try to, just clear your mind, but also figure out where you actually came from. How y'all doing?
How are you all?
Doing great.
Good.
And so I'm out here in lovely nature. I have been neglecting nature a bit the past few months. That's on my part, but hey, life happens. Again, I hope everyone is exceeding well along their journey. Just wanted to check in with the spiritual community and just give you guys, some, the word I'm looking for. Just give you guys an update on, just a little bit on what's going on. As far as, my videos, it's kind of just whenever I can really just get that back on track. But again, I'm sending you all nothing but peace, love, and light. And just stay positive and continue practicing that self-love. If you're new to this channel, and I probably should have said this in the beginning, it's about motivation, uplifting your spirit and change your mood and mind from negative to positive. It's the LC Mill. And hey, remember this, life and waves are alike. They never stop.